Welcome to CamelbackTrading.org. This is the review of April 20th, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback TradingView market profile, let's review today's price action and look at what is ahead for tomorrow. The Globex session opened Sunday with a gap down below Friday's low, but buyers managed to push back into Friday's range and close that gap before the RTH open. When the bell rang, NQ opened inside value while ES opened below it. Right out of the gate, both indices took out the overnight highs. But the momentum didn't last. Things got choppy quickly. B period was an inside bar, and while C period struggled initially to break the initial balance low, sellers made a hard move in the final 10 minutes of the period, extending the break and putting the NQ daily chart back into balance. H period marked today's afternoon pullback. Following that low, the market began to rotate upward. KL and M periods remained quite rotational, with M period eventually ending as an outside bar. At midday, the bears held a significant lead, 7-1 in NQ and 5-1 in ES. However, as the afternoon progressed, the bears lost several key metrics, including the open, the single prints, one-time framing down, and the indices percentage lead. We even saw the point of control migrate higher on both ES and NQ. By the closing bell, the final scores narrowed significantly to 3-2 in favor of the bears in NQ and a 2-2 tie in ES. Both indices attempted to form a B-shape profile, which usually signals long liquidation. While the structures weren't perfect, the takeaway remains the same. Today's price action looked more like longs taking profits after last week's impressive bull run rather than aggressive new sellers taking control of the larger time frame. As we discussed last week, a pullback is a healthy way for bulls to pause before a potential continuation. Looking at the daily charts, NQ is now in a 2-day balance, with Friday's high as the balance high and today's low as the balance low. ES remains technically up on the daily, but it finished as an inside bar. We also have some mechanical levels to watch. ES is carrying over a 10-wide POC, while NQ has an 8-wide POC. Our afternoon pullback levels to monitor for tomorrow are H's low in NQ and F's low in ES. For tomorrow's session, since ES is an inside day, bulls will want to defend today's range, as breaking below it would shift the daily to balance. NQ is already in balance, so losing today's low would turn the daily trend down, giving the bears a minor victory. However, with the weekly trend still firmly up, the bulls have plenty of cushion and could easily recover even if the daily trend falters. The first step for the bulls tomorrow is to regain control of value. We want to see initiating buying that pulls value higher. From there, the goal is to take out Friday's high in NQ and today's high in ES to capitalize on the coiling effect of the inside day and break back to the upside day. The market is currently searching for a fair price after a massive extension. Don't find yourself fighting the rotation. Let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start your day with a rigid bias. Let the data guide you to the high probability trades. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital. We are contributing 20% this time. Also, don't forget you can get this education daily inside the Camelback Trading Room, including our daily webinar and our custom market profile for TradingView. Join us at CamelbackTrading.org. Be safe and trade well.